Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share something pretty interesting I came across. A system that claims you can build a complete AI services micro-agency in just 48 hours. I know that sounds bold, but once I looked into what's actually included, it started to make a lot more sense. Picture this. In 2 days, you've got a fully designed agency website with your name and logo already in place. And as soon as someone lands on it, an AI sales and support agent greets them, asks questions about their business, and explains your services for you. It literally acts like a live demo that sells on your behalf, which is huge if you don't feel confident doing sales calls yet. What impressed me even more is the lead generation robot. You can turn it on whenever you need new prospects, and it pulls in leads you can contact right away. So by the end of a single weekend, you're not just launching a website, you're starting conversations with real businesses interested in AI solutions. The package also includes ready-made funnels, sales videos, emails, SMS scripts, and even a step-by-step plan that shows exactly what to do during those 48 hours. Plus, there's training on building and customizing chatbots, creating simple AI assistants, selling AI services, and delivering everything to clients without needing technical skills. If you've ever wanted to start an AI agency but felt stuck on where to begin, this could be a solid shortcut. For more details, you can click my link on description. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.